In this video, we will see how to fix slow download speeds in Telegram. Let's get started. Once you have opened the Telegram app on your phone, head to the search bar at the top and type in link to file bot. You will see some search results. Most of them do the same job, but I will recommend you to open the one with blue logo. Press the start button to activate the bot. This step is important because without starting it, this method won't work. Now go to any Telegram conversation where you have received a file or video that's downloading slowly. Forward that file to the bot chat. Wait for some time and you can see that due to server overload, the bot is asking us to join another channel to use it. Click here on join now and then click join. Now go back to the same file, select it and forward it to the bot again. You can see a link has been generated for us to download the file. Click here on download link. Click here on open. Click download. You can see here on top that our download has started.
A few moments later.
And you can see that the download is completed. Although the file was small in size, the download was comparatively faster. And that's it. A quick and easy way to fix slow download speeds on Telegram. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that can generate animated captions for short form videos using AI, then you can check this video on the right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.